Angel. This is me, Angel. And I have my cousin here to play with me with fast talk. Hindi, matubig kasi una. To, matubig. No, matubig.
Favorite color?
Color sky blue, light blue. Dali tayo.
Favorite fruit?
Fruit sky. Grapes.
Favorite movie?
Movie? Oh my god, horror movies. K-drama.
Favorite songs?
Song? I wanna be yours. Oh my god.
Favorite food?
Food? Adobo.
Favorite sports?
Sports? Basketball, badminton, volleyball. Yes or no? I know this. You have a crush on your schoolmate?
No, I love, but I have a... Wala.
Favorite food? Hi guys, this is me Angel and this is my cousin. So we're going to play a fast talk with her. Okay. Oh,
Favorite color?
light blue.
Favorite fruit?
Green.
Favorite movie?
K-drama.
Favorite song?
Tinkerbell. I'm gonna be yours.
Favorite food? I wanna be yours.
What? Guys, this is me Angel with my cousin. So we're going to play fast talk.
Favorite color?
Light blue.
Favorite movie?
Dramas. Oh my
Favorite
god.
fruit?
Fruit grapes.
Favorite songs?
I wanna be yours.
Favorite food?
Adobo.
Favorite sports?
3 sports. Basketball, volleyball, badminton. Alright? Okay. Mother, father.
Mother.
Macho, guapo.
Macho.
Favorite color.
No, I don't.
Maliit or matangkad. Yes or no, you have a crush in your classmate or schoolmate?
Yes! No.
Favorite food? So, alam yung favorite food?
Hot dog! A Frenchie! Jollibee!
Jollibee!